Hello, welcome to Ekidel, where we train future civil and structural engineers. My name is Fashe Ochet. Last time we began this particular modeling. Is that okay? We have done the GA, we have also exported it to ProtaStructure, and I said we are using ProtaStructure 2018, and I want to appreciate those that have commented on the on the last video we made, that's previous one. Is that okay? So thank you so much, and you can see the response and everything was made clear. Is that okay? And also appreciate those who actually have like and also subscribe and comment on the video. I really want to appreciate you all, so thank you so much. So in case this is your first time, I want to say please click on the like button and also subscribe if this is your first time. Is that okay? All right, so last time we are able to achieve it to display, but we discovered that I think we made a little mistake in our reasoning, because if you look at it, we say we from this place, if you look at this, the line, these are real this thing. Can you see it? From here we're supposed to have 1425. Is that okay? And if you look at this line here, is from here. Can you see it's from this point, isn't it? So which means that this thing is actually correct. So after we have moved this beam to this place, then what we are left with as our passage or our sit out is 1000 D. So which means we are going to make adjustments. Is that okay? So which means that the line we put that day, that means this our axis that we put that day was actually correct. This axis that we put was actually correct. Why this one remain where it is? So we are going to adjust this extension here. Is that okay? So what I'll do now, come here now, click on this. Let's re-edit it. Is that okay? Double click on this, and then sorry, it's not a 2022 and above. So let me come here now, click on this, and then come to this this one here. Do you want to split? No, I'm not splitting. Can you see what we have now? So I also come here now, do the same thing. Is that okay? Come here also, delete this one, this one. Is that okay? Double click on, okay, sorry, right click property, then come here, do this one and come here again. Do you want to split? No. Is that okay? So I have that. So this one still remain as it is. Is that okay? So let's confirm something from the AutoCAD first. Okay, all the same thing. Can you see? All true, so that is fine. I'll come here now. This one also, delete this one. Is that okay? Then come here, delete this one now for now. Then come here, click on this, right click and click on this one, then extend it from here to this point here. No, I'm not splitting. Is that okay? So that is fine. Okay, so this one now, I'll not take this one now, the property of this. Click on this, right click and then property. Now connect this one. Okay, yes, connect this one here, very important. I'll come and connect this one here now. Click on this, perfect. Okay, that's fine. So also this place also I have to extend it. Click on this one, take the property again, property, then from here to this point here. Is that okay? And then let me now delete this one. Let me delete this one. Let me also delete this one. Is that okay? Let me delete this one. Then I also come here now, double click, sorry, click on this, right click property, then from here to this point here. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that is that. I haven't done that one now this way. I think it's supposed to be extended outside, so let me click on this and use the center property. Sorry, yes, property. Let me click on this, right click property. Is that okay? So I'll come to this where is it, 3D. No, I want to take this one. Okay, come here now and click on this one and update. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so it's okay now. So we have this one now, everything's okay here now. So I now come here now, delete this one, then take the properties of this. Is that okay? And come here and insert. That is fine. So also insert here. Okay, then come here now, delete this one now. Is that okay? Delete this one. Click on this one, right click property. Is that okay? This time around I'm going to use a pick point. So I'm going to pick from here to this point, to this point, and to this point. That's fine. Is that okay? So we are going to make adjustment to this one also. This one is okay, it's perfectly okay. So I also come here now, take the property, and I believe it's a pick point. Okay, pick point. So let me click on this one and bring it down here again. And also let me pick this one from here to this, and to this. Okay, that's fine. Okay, we are good to go now. So the same thing applicable to this other side. So let me pause this video to do this other side. Since I've shown you this one, let me pause this side to effect the correction. Is that okay? Then we'll now proceed together. Alright, so you can now see that yes, we have effect the correction now. So let's see our 3D view. So let's see it. So you can now see the correction have been effected. Can you see it now? So we have this. Is that okay? So this is what we are having here. Is that okay? So that is that. So the next thing now, let me reduce this one. 450. Let me right click. Let me reduce the thickness to 450. To 450. 450. Update. Is that okay? All right. So that is that. So this one also to 450. Am I correct? Let's see. 450 the property. Okay, 450 update. Is that okay? All right, that is fine. So now, having done this one now, the next thing is how do we get across to this? How do we now start solving this one now? Or this column, all those ones, how do we go about it? Is that okay? So now let's now take action on that. Okay, I'll come here now, generate the story. Let me save first. Let me insert the story. So for me to insert the story, don't forget that I'm using 2018 rather. I'll come to this place now. Sorry, no, not here. I'll come here now. Can you see insert story? I will say what? I will say yes. How many story? First of all is G+2. I'm going to put 2 for now. Is that okay? Later I will generate the next floor. Is that okay? So I'll now click on OK, then click on yes. Correct. So I'll now go back to this story 1. Correct. I will now come back again, come here and click on what? Generate story. I'll click on it. Yes, from story 1 to what? To this story, everything remain intact. I'll click on what? On OK, and let's wait for it. Correct. So I will now click on close. So you can now see that what I have on the ground floor is what I'm having here, isn't it? So it's at this point now we begin to make what? Adjustment. Is that okay? So in me making the adjustment now, I'm going to remove this top slab. Is that okay? Or I see if I can hide the slab. Is that okay? And make my adjustment. But since I'm going to still make adjustment to this, the best thing is to remove the slab. Is that okay? I'll click on this one now, scroll down, and then come here now, click on this, then delete. Is that okay? I'll delete, say okay. All right, so that is fine. Now that I have this one now, the next thing I'll now do here is to come here, come to the plan view. Here's my plan view. Correct. And go to story 2 plan. Correct. So looking at the story 2 plan, where are we having that adjustment? So I'll now go to my AutoCAD. Is that okay? Let's start from here. Now looking at this one now is okay. Can you see? Looking at this one now is okay here. This place okay. The only thing there just to have what? A cantilever, because I will not change this column. Is that okay? I will not change this. I only have extension here. Is that okay? Let's adjust this one first. This particular one. Let's achieve this side. Is that okay? Let's achieve this one here. So I'll come back here now. So this is where we are talking about, isn't it? So I'll now come here now, click on this, right click and click on the property, and then come here now and click on this one. Can you see what I have here? So that is that. Also this one also, I also have the same thing from here to this one here. Is that okay? Because it's both sides, isn't it? So I'll now come here again. You can see the same thing here. So I'll now come here again. Since I have this one, I need to work on this place. Is that okay? I want to work on this particular place now. This one is interrupting, isn't it? So which means that I have to do something around here. Is that okay? I have to do something around here. From here to here, what do we have? From here to this point, what do we have? Is there a beam here along this line? Let's confirm if there's a beam along this line here. Let's confirm. Let's do something like this. Let's do something like this. Where is this one? Okay, let me minimize this. Oh, it's okay. No, let's use this one. Okay. All right, so let me close this one here. Let me come here now. On this side, can you see these 2 columns? Can you see it? This is 2 columns we are talking about. So which means we are going to remove these 2 columns. They are not part of it, isn't it? They are not part of this design. So but if you look at this now, you can now see where we are having this axis here. We are also having this beam here, isn't it? We are having a beam here, isn't it? We are having a beam here. So automatically in this place now, how am I going to do it? This one can come here. Is that okay? This one can come here straight. Is that okay? So for us to do that, then I need to come here now, take this column, click on it and come here, property, and put on top of this. Is that okay? On top of this place. Is that okay? I'll still adjust this one. Then also we have this beam here. Is that okay? This beam, we have a beam, this one that is running like this. Can you see? Which means here and here, isn't it? This place is this place now. So I'll come here now and also put this one here at this edge here. Okay, on top of this. Okay, since I have that one now, since I'm having this one now at this point here, so which means that this one place have changed. That means this one I've taken the effect and this one I've taken the effect. So I'll come here now. Let me quickly do this one here before I forget. I'm going to do something like this. Remove this one. You have to do it one after the other. Property, click on this one, put it here. Is that okay? And also from here to this point here, then delete this one now. Delete this one, this particular beam. Is that okay? And put it properly. Put it properly. First, is that okay? We have to put it first. Is that okay? So now, also what's happening here? So we can now see that in this place now we have this projection here. We are having this projection here. This projection, we are having it here. Or if we want, we can leave this one here like this. Is that okay? Because it's still inside. Can you see now? It's still inside. We can still leave it and have a cantilever beam here. Is that okay? And have a cantilever beam around here. And only this one we are going to remove. Is that okay? And put a column on this edge, isn't it? So let's undo it. Let's undo it. Let's undo it. Let's undo it this way. Okay, I have it like this. So now click on this one here. Where is it? Okay, I have this one here. This one, let me delete this one. Let me delete this one. Is that okay? I have this one here which is going to run along this time around, along this part. Is that okay? So I'll take the property of this, come here now, click on this. First of all, I'm having this, which is this one now. Is that okay? No longer this one now, which I'm going to delete this one. So I'll quickly delete this one before I forget it. Is that okay? So I'll delete this one. So I have this one now, isn't it? Which is this one, stopping here. So I'll now take this one now, delete this one. I'll still connect this one. Click on this, right click and click on this one, and they have this extension from here to this point here, which is good. Is that okay? So I'll now connect this one now back. Connect this one back as cantilever. Is that okay? So because this one is still intact inside the building, isn't it? So it's this one we are going to work on. Is that okay? So I can decide to have this one now like this. This one now run all through. Is that okay? Or this one also I can now have it like this. Yes, it's okay there. I think it's okay there. It's okay here. Is that okay? So this one is coming straight like this because can you see it? This one something like this. It's going to go straight like this, isn't it? So on that note now, I'm going to put a column here. Right click and click on here and put a column at this edge here. Is that okay? Let me make it proper. Come here. Is it update? Okay, no. Come here. This one here. Update. Correct. So I click on close. I click on close. I will now see I can work on this particular place, isn't it? So I'll now come here now. Don't forget this one is coming to rest on this, isn't it? So I'm going to be having something like this. Take this beam. I can decide to have delete this one. Is that okay? Delete this one. Take this one like this. Property. Sorry. Property. Let me see. What's the length? What's the length? Let's confirm the length. From this place to this place is 4 point something. Is that okay? Which is still okay. It's not that much. So click on this one, right click and click on this property, and from here to this point here. Okay, we are trying to remove this one now. I'll come here now, click on this, remove this one. Is that okay? So then I'll now come here now, take the property of this, right click, property of this. Now come here now. This time around it's going to be from here like this. Then come to this other side, this one here, then update. Correct. So then click on close or escape. Then after we have done that, don't forget we are no longer using this one. Is that okay? Because if you look at this, this is it. Is that okay? This one is stopping here, so which is here. So automatically this one, we are having another one here, which is this one. Can you see? Can you see this building here? Can you see this one? This long one is no longer going to be in use. Is this one we are going to use, which is this one here, which is this axis here. Is that okay? So on that note now, then I'll delete this one now, delete this one, and also delete this column, delete this one, delete this one, then click on this, right click property, and come and use this one here. Sorry, let me put my column first. I'm going to put a column here. I'm going to put a column here. Is that okay? Then delete this one, then click on this, right click property, then from here come and connect to this one. Is that okay? Then do this one again, click on this, then click on this, right click and click on property, and then come here now, you connect this one and also this one. Can you see? So we have achieved this one now and this place now. Can you see it now? We have achieved this place, isn't it? We have achieved this one, all this one here. We have achieved this one here now. Can you see? We have achieved this one, which is this place now. We have achieved it. So now coming to this place now, so this wall, this particular wall, this wall here now, this one is going to go. Is that okay? And this one also is going to go. Am I correct? Yes, it's going to go. It's going to go. Can you see what we now have now? Let me confirm this one. This beam is not properly inserted. Can you see? So I'll delete it, then take the property of this, right click, and then property of this one, property, then click on this one and come here and fix it on this. Perfect. So can you see it now? So you can now see what we are having here now. So this place now, the whole of this place now is what we are having here. Is that okay? It's what we are having here now. Can you see it? We have achieved this one here. We have achieved this one here also, isn't it? So now what's happening here? So you can now see the entire place here. We have space here, isn't it? This space which is around here. So I'll click on this one now. I'm coming. Let me remove this one. So where is this one? We are still having this this space here which I use. Is that okay? So this definitely this place here, this particular place, we need a beam here. We need a beam here because we cannot just have a cantilever here because this is a lobby. Come around here like this. So automatically this particular one will still come here. Is that okay? But there will be no wall load. Is that okay? Sorry, there will be no anything like wall load. Still come here now. Split? No, I'm not splitting anything. Is that okay? Then this one that is coming here like this one will still remain. Sorry, click on this one, then come here like this. All right, so this one becomes a place where they are coming like this, come like this, and have access to the small slab here, and then go to the staircase. Is that okay? Because based on the staircase, coming like this, go like this, come like this, and then continue again. Is that okay? So we need this beam, very important. We need this beam to continue the other staircase, isn't it? Why our wall, where this wall, this particular wall here, this particular one you are seeing here is this one here. Now this particular place where we put this one straight like this is for this place, for this lobby. Is that okay? It's for this lobby. So that is fine. So this particular space where you are seeing here now, this particular small space is what you are having here. Is that okay? All right. So you can now see I'm constructing on one side, which I'm going to pause this. When I finish this side, I will go repeat the same thing on the other side. Is that okay? So now we have achieved this one now. So coming to this place now, coming to this place also, what we have down here, which is this one here, is this one here. But this beam, these columns are not needed here. Can you see now? These columns are not needed in this place. This one, am I correct? This one and this one, which is this one and this one, which means the entire place like this is what is slab. Can you see? Can you see the straight? Can you see it like this all through, and also this one all through, which means the entire place like this we are going to remove it. And the entire place like this we are going to remove it. Is that okay? We are going to remove this one like this, and like this. So you can now see what we have now, isn't it? So now that we have this one now, based on this one has a support, good support, has a support. But if you now look at it, the area of this place is wide. The area, excuse me, if this place is wide. Since it's wide, you have to split it, isn't it? You have to see how we can split it. So on that note now, I'll come here now, click on this one. Let me use the lesser beam depth. Come here, take this one now. From here, I can decide to either use this one. Okay, if I use, let me use from here to split it like this. I think it's better like this. It's better this way, isn't it? It's better this way, isn't it? So instead of using this one, so if I look at it now from here, let's measure from here. From this point to this point is 3.52. If I take it to this place, what 4.6. So it's better we use this one here, isn't it? So this one is okay. So you can now see now that I've only used this one now to split this place into two, which means that this particular beam now is not going to carry wall, because I only use this to do what? To divide this slab, this area, into two, so that my area will not be more than 30 square meters. So if you look at it now, if you look at it from this point to the entire place of this place now, we are having what are we having? 7.3 7.313. Is that okay? So if you do that now, also multiply by from here this point to this point here, 4 point something, that's about 30 something. Is that okay? So that's a wide, that's wide. So that is that. Now you can now see that if you look at it critically, this particular beam column 1, 2 is gone, which is supposed to be around here and here, isn't it? They are gone. And also I'm coming. If you look at this one also, this one is still okay, it's still intact, and then okay, this one is okay, this one is also okay, they are intact, these ones are intact. This one have been adjusted, which is here. This one have been adjusted, they have all been adjusted. Okay, they are all okay. No, okay, no, it's this one, which is this here, that has been adjusted. This one and this one, okay, and this one. So we can now see that we have achieved it now, isn't it? You can see how we have changed the column. Can you see how we have changed it now? So now this place we are going to now put our slab. This one still remain. Can you see? This one still remain, and this one still remain. You can now see we are going to see how we are going to load this particular place. Is that okay? So that is that. Okay, because whatever thing we have done here, automatically we are done with the second floor. That's a G+2. The second, that's a G+2. Yes, the last floor. Is that okay? So that is why we need to take our time to do this particular one. Is that okay? All right. So, but if I look at this one now, yes, can we have this one like this? Yes, we can have it. We can have something like this, because this one now, this particular one here is now this one, isn't it? So now this one here, this one is for this one to enable this slab here. But if we are saying from here, from this point like this, because we are having a slab around here like this to this place like this, is that okay? We need to break it. Is that okay? We will need to break it. So that will also put a beam here. But let's just see. Let's see first. Is that okay? Let's see first. Okay, so having done this one now like this, we need to now put our slab. Is that okay? To now put our slab. Let me do this other side then before we now put the slabs together. Is that okay? All right. So now we can now see how we have achieved them. Can you see now? Everything's perfectly okay now. So the next thing now is to put my slab. So let me now maximize it now. So the next thing is to put my slab property. So I'll come here now, come to my concrete member, come to what? Slab. Is that okay? So let it 150, the loading is still the same 1.2, all of that 1.5. It's okay. So I'll now come here now, click on this one, insert here, insert here, insert here. Okay, we'll come back to that. Click on this one. Okay, no, here, here, here. Also we have it here, we have it here, here, and here. Okay, this is our staircase area. So why this one is not coming up? What is the matter? So let's come here now. I'll come back to this, come to insertion. I'll use a pick point. Is that okay? So I'll come to pick point. I'm using this particular one. Is one I'll trace. Is that okay? To this one, which is this point here. Is that okay? I'll come here now, click on this one, and finally I'll click on this one. Is that okay? So let's wait. What is happening? It's not still responding, so no problem. Let's click on this property. Is that okay? Property pick point. Come here and click on this one again. Pick point. It's this slab. So I'll come here now, click on this. Yes. If I pick that one, is this one. Okay. After which I come here and click on this one. Yes. After which I come here and click on this one. It's supposed to show me slab. It's supposed to show me the slab. Is that okay? It's supposed to show us the slab. So I'll come back to that. Is that okay? We will do that one later. So let's come here. It must definitely work. So I'll come back here. I can't be using a pick this thing. I have to use pick point. Is that okay? Come here, pick point. Then from this point now, this point to this one, then to this one here, and this one here. That's good. So come here now, click on this one, come here again. From here to this point, and also to this point and this point. That is fine. So also we are having this our slab around, is it this place? No, yes, around this one. It's on this one or this one. I think it's this one. It's this one we are having the slab. So I'll click on this one here, pick point. Is that okay? Pick point. Okay, then from this point now, let me say from this point to this point to this point and to this point. I think it was this one we used, this edge. Let me undo it. I remember it's this one we use. So I'll click on this one, come here now, bring this one back. I think that's the reason why we have this one, isn't it? So I'll come here now, click on this one here, and this one here. Okay, that's fine. I'll also click on this one now, this one again, come here, pick from this point to this point to this point, and finally to this point. Okay, yeah, I'll also come to this other side again, do the same thing to this place here. We have a from this point to this point to this point to this point, then click on this one again, come here again, from this point to this this small axis here, and this one. Perfect. So that's that. I'll come here, click on beam region in order to have this one here. Correct, that's fine. So I haven't done this one now like this, escape. So you can now see what we have done here now. So I'll now come here now, click on save. Okay, let's wait and see what we have done. So I'll now come to my 3D view. 3D view, let's come here, click on this. So you can now see what we have now. Can you see it? You can now see what we have at the top side. So we can now see what we have at the top side. Can you see it now? Okay, so this place now, in this place now, I'm coming. This place now, we are going to use a line load on this edge. Is that okay? This one is not going to carry any beam, so sorry, any wall. So it's going to be something like this here. Is that okay? And all of that. Okay, so I haven't done that now. So the same thing we have on the ground on this place now is what we also have at the top, isn't it? It's what we have at the top. So we need to put our slab, this slab down. We need to put it here also. I'll come back to the plan view, then take the properties of this, click on this, right click. No, it's not the property. Okay, I can see change it. It's around here. So I'll come here now, under insertion, pick point. I'll pick this point, it's because from here to this place to this one here and to this one here. Correct, that's how it is. So we have achieved that one too. So you can see that's how we are achieving them. Up to this, everything now seems to be okay, except this place that the slab is not coming up. It's not coming up. I don't know why. I'm coming. Let me click on this property. Okay, let me take a beam region. Let's see. Let me click on this. It's not picking. It's not coming up. So let me come to pick point again. It must work. Let me see from here, from this point to this point to this point and to this point. It's not still coming up, so no problem. At times it's like that. So when I off and shut down and open it again, it will definitely work. Is that okay? Which we are going to do. Is that okay? All right, so that is that. I haven't done this one now like this because I can't be using this axis. This axis is not meant for it. It's because maybe I'm not picking it correctly. Okay, is it? No, it's okay. This axis is for this. Okay, and this axis is for which one is this? Yeah, this is the axis. Yes, correct. Which we have picked. Is the correct axis we pick. I don't know why it's not coming up. Is that okay? So what we do now? Everything is connected. Everything is properly connected. Okay, let me click on this. I'm coming. Let me delete this one. Then click on this. Right click, property. From here, from this point to this last one here. Do you want to split? No, I'm not splitting. Is that okay? Maybe that's what the problem. Let's see it again. Let's see it. Click on it, right click, property, then come here and use the insertion, pick point. Is that okay? I'll click on this one here. Now come here now, click on this place here, click on this place here, and finally here. Okay, it's still giving us the same thing, so we'll leave it. Is that okay? We'll leave it. We'll come back to it. It will definitely work. Is that okay? So once we have done this one now like this, the next thing now is now generate this floor to the next floor because we are done. Is that okay? Because since this one is okay now, because the architect said that according to the plan that what we have here, if you look at it based on architectural drawing, can you see typical first and second floor? Can you see it now? So which means since we have done this one now, the same thing to the other side. Is that okay? To the other one, which is this one here, which is this one here. So what I will now do now is to generate this one to the next floor, isn't it? So I'll come here now, come back to this place, say insert story, click on it, insert story. How many story now? It's now 3. Is that okay? Not 2 again, 3. I'll click on yes. Is that okay? I'll now come to back to this one here. I'll come here now. I'll come here now and click on generate story. Now from story 2 to story 3, is that okay? I'll click on it. It's okay. Perfect. Is that okay? I'll click on close. That's that. I will now come to 3D view. So you can now see what I have now. Can you see it now? You can now see what we have. This is okay. We have achieved that. So let me go to the plan view. Okay, we have not put the slab here. Click on this, right click and click on property, and then let's come up in section, please come to beam region and then click on this. Is that okay? Then click on close. Let me try this one. Okay, let's leave that one, so it's not an issue. Come to this place, where is 2D? Yes, here. This place also. Click on this, right click. Okay, come here, pick this one here. Okay, all right, so haven't done this one now like this, haven't done everything now like this. Let me quickly show you how to do the load because of that slab. If you notice, this place we are having a toilet around here. There's a toilet around here, isn't it? We are having a toilet around here. So if you look at it very well, okay, it's not showing here. We are having this toilet here. This is our toilet. Where is the place? This is ground floor. Okay, can you see? We are having toilet around here and here, isn't it? So this way we are having toilet. This is almost like half of it. Is that okay? So we are going to having using a line load. You cannot be using a beam. Is that okay? Too much of beam around here to be too much. So having a beam here and beam here, that will be too much. Is that okay? To be having a beam here and beam here. So we are going to use a line load. Is that okay? On this. But before we know at the line load, we need to know the height of this structure. The height, I'm coming. It was written somewhere. It was written somewhere. The height should be here. So can you see 3 meters? Can you see it's 3 meters? 3 meters high. So we have a 3 meters high. So that is that. So I'll come here now and confirm. Come here, edit story. Edit story. Let's see what we have there as our edit story. Let's come up. What we have here as our edit story. So can you see it's 33 meters, which means it's okay. We are good to go. Is that okay? I will now come here now, click on close. Okay, so once we have done that now, so the next thing to load it. So let's now go to story 1 plan. I'll come to story 1 plan. I'll come here now, click on this, right click and click on what edit beam wall load. Click on it. So coming to this place now, bring my calculator up. Is that okay? So we have a 450, isn't it? So 3 meter minus 450, that will be around the 425. That's 2,550. Am I correct? 3,000 minus 450, 2,550. Yes, 2,550. So my wall height for this 2,550. Is that correct? Then my wall unit weight is 3.47. 3.47. My this thing is what is 225. Is that okay? So you can see it's in millimeter. It's in meter rather. So it's going to be 2.5. Is that okay? 2.5. Let me do it again. 2.550. Am I correct? That is that, and this one was 0.225. Am I correct? So that's fine. So you can now see my dead load now. My dead load, which is average load in when it comes to ProtaStructure 2022 and above. Understand? This one will be seeing what average load, but this one is what dead load. So which is 8.85, kilonewton per meter. Is that okay? So that's that. I'll now click on what? On OK. That is that. I'll now click on this, right click and click on what? On copy beam wall load. Click on it, and once that one is done, I'll click on this one now. Come here now, click on this, then scroll down and click on this one, shift and then select all of them, right click and click on what? On paste copy load. I'll say yes. Is that okay? So that one is done. Click somewhere else. Let's finish. Okay, so don't forget that this one is not carrying any load. Is that okay? I'll click on this, right click and click on delete load, delete beam wall load. I'll say yes, because the load is going to be around here, isn't it? It's going to be around here. Even this one, there's no load, there's no wall on this one. I will also delete this one, delete beam wall load. You say yes. Is that okay? And this one also delete beam wall load, delete beam wall load. I'll say yes. Okay, come to this other side too and do the same thing, delete beam wall load. Yes, then click on this one. Let me press my shift key or control key to select all of them, right click and click on delete beam wall load. I say yes. Okay, that is done. Okay, haven't done that now, so even this place and this one also, I'm deleting the lower load. Come here now, delete beam wall load. Yes, is that okay? Those places that are not in need of wall, understand? So I'm going to delete them. This one is at the top. Is that okay? This one does not need. This one does not need. This one does not need also. This one does not need also. This one does not need also. Then I'll right click and then delete beam wall load and say yes. Okay, and this other side too, this one too, this one too, and which other one? Okay, this one again and this one again. They don't need it, they don't need the wall load, so delete beam wall load. I'll say yes also. Okay, remember that plate that's big, understand? And here that was splitted the other time, so that is that. So okay, and we said this column was not going up. Remember that we now use this plate to now break this into two. Do you remember? All right, that is that. So I haven't done all of this one like this. Okay, this one also there's no need of a wall load. This one doesn't require any wall load. Come here also, no need of wall load. Select this one, then right click and click on delete beam wall load. Come here now, delete this one. Okay, another one again. Okay, this one need wall load. Even though this edge there's no wall load, but there's no how we can, if you say we want to drag it, is that okay? Or we use line load, anyone. We can use line load here. Is that okay to complete this one? We can decide to delete it and now use line load because of the load. Is that okay? Or let's just do that. Let's do that. Delete this one. Right click and delete wall load. Delete beam wall load. Yes, I will say yes. Also, I will now use line load, isn't it? We'll now use line load to that in that place. To that effect, click on this, right click and click on also delete beam wall load. Okay, so that is that. So once we have done this one, like this one also no wall load, no wall load here, no wall load here. Click on this, right click, no wall load, delete beam wall load. Yes, delete beam wall load, and also this one also no wall load, no wall load, delete beam wall load. I'll say yes. Okay, all right, so I haven't done this one now like this, that we are done with this one now. Is that okay? So I will leave this one like this because of the staircase. That could the load of the staircase, at least we take care of that. Okay, so once we are done with this one now like this, let's now check what we have. Is that okay? 3D view. So you can now see what we have here, isn't it? You can now see what we now have here now. You can now see we have achieved it. Can you see we have achieved this place like this? Can you see we have achieved this and our wall is here? Is that okay? And all of that. So this one also. So let me now change the color. Let's change the color first before we proceed, or let's just finish the other one. Is that okay? So let's come back to this place now, back to plan view. I'll come to story 3 plan, the last floor. Is that okay? The last floor, which is this one. Our beam depth is what? Is 450. Is that okay? It's 450. So for now we are going to reduce it to 300. Is that okay? This is the roof beam. Is that okay? And we are going to delete the slab. Don't forget that we're having a what swimming pool. Is that okay? We're having swimming pool at the top of this. So let's just finish, try our best to complete the modeling. Is that okay? So that next class will now be forward for the analyzing, selection of materials and design. Is that okay? All right. So now that I've done this one, I'll delete this one. Right click, click on this one. Come here now. Then remove the slab. Is that okay? And then press delete. I'll click on OK. Yes. Then I'll now click on this one now, the beam, click on this, then scroll down and click on this one, and then right click. I'll come to edit section and material. Instead of a 450, I'll use a 350 for now. Is that okay? Can you imagine? Some of this is not okay. I'll use a 300. Is that okay? As normal. So I'll click on this one. Let everything change. Okay, so everything have changed to 225 by what? 300. So I haven't done that now. I haven't completed that. So now where we are having a slab, we are having slab around this place. Is that okay? We are also having a slab around this particular place, something like this all through at the top side. Is that okay? So we are going to do that right away. But before then, let's go and put our load first. Let me go to story 2. Let me complete that of story 2. Okay, come to this place now. Select this one, and come to edit beam wall load. Edit beam wall load. Is that okay? Let me come with my calculator again. My calculator is 3000 minus 300. That's 2.7. Can you see 2.7? So I'll come here now. What unit weight is a 3.47. Then my height is what, 2.7, and this one is what, 0.25. Sorry, 225. Okay, 0.225. Correct. Everything's okay. Average is what? The average here is 9.370. Is that okay? So I'll just click on OK. Everything's okay. Then right click and click on copy beam wall load. Then I'll come here now, this 32, click on the first one and press my shift key down, click on the last one, then right click and click on what? On paste, copied load. Okay, let's wait for it. Alright, so I haven't done this one now like this. Let's see the 3D again. Let's see the 3D again. You can see what we have. So now I'm going to do something here now. I'm going to do something here. Let's now change the color. Is that okay? To change the color, I think it's here. Layer and color settings. Yes, I'll click on this. Layer and color settings. The interface of ProtaStructure 2022 is 2018 is different from that of 2022 and above. Is that okay? So that is that. So let's wait for it to come up. Is that okay? Let's wait for it to come up. So we come here now. Let's see. We come here. Wall partition, wall load, partition. Okay, can you see it here now? Click on this one here. Then choose whichever one that you feel like choosing. Is that this one or whichever one? Is that this one or this green one? Anyone you feel like. Or let me go back. Let's go back and use a hash color. Let's say we are using a hash color. Is that okay? Let's use a hash color like this. Then come here now. Click on the last. Drag it to the last one. Last, and then click on this. Can you see it now? You can see what we have. You can see what we have, isn't it? Perfectly okay. So now, I haven't done this one now like this. Don't forget that this place there's no wall. No wall here. There's no wall here. Right click, delete, beam wall load. Yes, there's no wall there. There's no wall there. Also this place there's no wall here. Click on this, remove this one. Okay, that is that. And this other place also, there's no wall on the entire place, isn't it? There's no wall on the entire place. I'll delete it. Is that okay? Delete this one, delete this one. Yes, okay, that's fine. This small place, I'll use a line load along on top of this beam. Is that okay? So I'll come here now, do the same thing here. Click on delete beam wall load. Is that okay? All right, that is fine. So I haven't done this one now like this. Now the next thing, now we have successfully modeled this. Let's now talk about the where we are having a water tank. Is that okay? Water tank. So come back to this place now. Or yes, water tanks to the three. So around this place we're having a slab. Is that okay? Slab around this place. I'll come here now. Property, I have a slab. So for my slab, since it's water, is that okay? Since it's water tank around this place, I'm going to be using a thickness of what, 175 minimum, 175, and see if it will pass. Is that okay? Then for the loading, I will not consider loading now. For now, is that okay? I will not consider loading for now because we are going to calculate. Is that okay? I don't know why that. Okay, sorry. This here, and here. This is where we are having a water tank. Is that okay? This place is not part of it. This place is not part of it. Yes, this place is not part of it. Okay, so I'll still come back to see what is happening around here. So this is where we are having a water tank. Is that okay? Let me click on this also, property, and then put it here also. That is fine. That's fine. Okay, so this one again. I know by the time I all shut down the system and bring it up again, it will definitely work. I'm sure of that. So let me click on this big point. Okay, why do you want to? Okay, let me do something. Let me escape first. Let me come to this place, click on the slab, pick my slab, 175. Okay, let me leave everything and come here now and use a pick point. Let me use a pick point from here. Let me say from this point here to this point here, to this point here, to this point here. It's not still working. And looking at this place now, since this place is long, I can decide to do what, to break it. Is that okay? To put a beam to break this this span here. Is that okay? Because it seems to be too long. Is that okay? Let's check the length. Let's check the length. Come to this place, 5 point something. So automatically I'll take this one from here, offset it, just put at the middle, use your eye gauge. This one does not really need something, so click on this one now, right click. I can decide to stretch or hide it. Property. Is that okay? I can just hide it. I can hide it, hide this one, then update. Is that okay? Then come here now, escape. Come on, escape or close. Okay, so I can now come here now, put my beam, click on this, right click and click on property, and then where is it? I think where is it? Around here. Let me see. Okay, yes, that is it. Come here now, fix it here. Okay, take the property of this property and come here, beam region, and click somewhere here. Can you see? Is that okay? That means the problem is around here. Is that okay? The problem is around this place. Let me now use pick point now. Let's see. Let me use the pick. Let me use this one. Let me say I use this one now. Come here now and use this one here, and then use this one, and then this one. Okay, still the same thing. That's not an issue. Is that okay? It's not an issue. So this way we are having a slab. Is that okay? This one we are having a water tank. Is that okay? We are having water tank here. So that is that. So let's now go to our line load. Go back to this one. Double click on this to take us here, so that I can use our line load here. So what I will now do now, I will now come here now to my loadings. Is it under here? Yes. Come to, let me see. Can you see slab load? I'll come here now, click on it. Can you see? I'll use this one now. This one here. What's my load? What was my load when we are using this thing? We came here. We said we are having 3,000 minus 450. We have this, isn't it? Then 450 minus this one, then that's a 2.55. That's 2.550 multiplied by 3.47. We have what? 8.85. So here now my dead load now is what? 8.85. Can you see it? 8.85. You can see what I have here. I can now come here now, from this point here to this point. Good. Then from this point to this point all through to this edge here. Okay, to this edge here. Sorry, it was not okay. Let me press delete. Is that okay? So let me come back again. Let me say from here to this edge straight. Correct. Load is not contain entire length. Okay. Yes. Let me delete this one. Then from this point now to where are we having that? To this point here. Good and fine. Then from this point now to this point here to this point here. Correct. So can you see it now? Can you see now it has given us without any warning? It's because the slab we split the slab from here to here, isn't it? And from here to here, that's why it's giving us that warning. So I'll also come here now, the same thing, from this point here to this point here. I have this. Then from this point here to this point here, and also from this point here to this place here. Correct. That's where we have that. Is that okay? So also this place, that's not the load. Is that okay? That's not load, because this one is just maybe handrail. That's the highest thing we can have here. Is that okay? That's the highest thing we can have here. So the load can be maybe 0 point something. Is that okay? We can put it there. So I'll now come here now. So come here now. That's what we have. Can you see what we have now? Can you see it? You can also see what we have here, isn't it? You can see what we have here, isn't it? So that is that. And this edge also, come back to this place. Is that okay? Come back to this place. The same load we are going to put on top of this particular place. I'll come here now, come to my concrete, and come to my slab load, the line load, and also come here now, put in my what? 8.85. That means from this point here to this point here. Can you see what I have there? I also come to this place now, from this edge here to this point here. That's it, 8.85. I have that. Which other place again that required that? Okay, now since that's what I'm having, now this is the place I'm having that toilet. Is that okay? So the toilet is around the middle, so you must have done your research. Is that okay? You must have done your research. And if you look at this place now, okay, this place, let me come here. Let me come here. Something's happening here. Something's happening here. This one's supposed to come straight like this. This one's supposed to come straight like this. Let's confirm something. No, I think it's okay. I think it's okay. I think it's okay. So let's just proceed. We'll check it later. I pray I still remember. So I'll now come here now. Pick my load. Where is it? Pick my load. Pick my load. Where is it? My slab load. Come here. Because the wall that's going to be resting around this place the same height. Is that okay? There's a wall here. Is that okay? There's a wall here. So I'm going to come to this place now. Use this one and use my what? 8.8. 8.85. Is that okay? Because the wall is around here and here. Is that okay? So I'll pick at the center here, because around here is divided this place into 2. Is that okay? Divide this place into 2. Is that okay? Yes. Click on this. Then also this one also divide into 2, because at the center, just use your eye gauge, or if you like, you can use your line. Is that okay? To this point here, to this point here. Okay, sorry, let me delete it. From this point here to this point here, I'm coming. Yes, to this point here. Then from this point here, this point here to this point here. Let me see. Okay, so I have to do it individually. Is that okay? So I have to do it individually from here now, from this point to this point here. Okay, then from this point again, from this point to this point straight. Is that okay? Okay, come down small at an angle. Come down. Let me just, I just want to see that it's straight. Yes, correct. Then click on this. Can you see now? So that's what I have. So this one, we are having this one from here to this point. Let me see. Okay, so I can't put anything there, so I'll just delete it. Is that okay? So no problem. So just a small load around this place, just a block. Is that okay? Okay. Is that okay? Let me just put it. Let me put it. In the following case, slab load will be what considered accurately only in finite element model. This is okay. Point and line load definitely is towards slab country. Okay, so I can leave that one. Let me delete it. Let me delete it. Okay. So what I've done here now is what is happening also on this other side. Is that okay? So that is that. So to reduce the length of this video, I will only do this one, then later I'll complete this other side. Is that okay? All right, and the same thing is going to happen. So now if I look at this this place now, if I now come to AutoCAD, if I come to my AutoCAD, we can see that we are having something here. Can you see we are having this this place here? Can you see this one here? Can you see that we are having this here and here? Is that okay? So that is that. I'm going to go. What's the length of this? We need to know the length from here to this point. Is that okay? Let's now take our measurement from this edge. Let me say from the center. Let me come down. Okay, we can use this one. Let me see. Let me come here. Yes, yes. We already have it here. From center here to this particular center here. Let's see what we have. Let's take our dimension from this center here to the center here. Can you see? 1425. Is that okay? 1425. So I'll come to my ProtaStructure. 1425. Let me see from here. Let's measure. Is it from this point to this point? 145 exactly. It's around here. Is that okay? It's around here. So now this wall is not going to go up because we have adjusted that the other side. Because if I look at it very well, if I look at the 3D, let me turn it to this other side. Is that okay? We are not supposed to have a wall here. Around here we are not supposed to have a wall. Sorry. Undo. Okay, let me see. Okay, on this other floor we are not supposed to have a wall. Let me see. Let me delete this. On this case, so what's happening? Undo. What's happening? Okay, let me just go back to the plan view. Let me go to the plan view. Okay, so we are not supposed to have a wall all through this place. Is that okay? Around here, the wall is around here like this and this place. Is that okay? I'll press it. Sorry, I'll delete this one. Click on this. Click on this one. Click on this and click on this and click on this. Then right click and click on delete beam wall load. Click on it and say yes. Is that okay? And since I've said yes now, so my line load is on this line. On this line. Is that okay? If I go to the 3D, let me just do the same thing to this other floor. Okay, this other floor have been adjusted. I'll just only click on this one and this one. No, yes, and this one. Then right click, delete delete beam wall load. Is that okay? Click on this. Is that okay? That's fine. So, and I know that this way I'm having my line load here. Is that okay? I'm having my line load here. So I'll just come here now. I'll come. Let's do the first one first. That first one first. Where is it? 31. Yes, correct. So this particular place where it's 8.8. I'll just come to this place now, put my wall load, which is this one here, come to the line load, put here now, select, that's 8.85. The wall is along this part, isn't it? So it's along this this part like this. So I'll come here now, from this part here to this point here, that's fine. Then from this point now, I have it all through to this place. Is that okay? Then I also have from here now to this place like this. Is that okay? So that is that. I also come to this place also, from this point now to this point, and also from this point to this point here, and also from this point here to this point here. That's perfect. So that means our wall is going to be what? Having a wall like this on this slab like this, and also this place, and this place is sit out, this place is sit out. Can you see it now? So if I check our 3D now, you can ask what we have achieved. If we check it properly, can you see what we have achieved now? So can you see it? Can you see we have used our line load to achieve this? Can you see it now? So you can now see so accurately. Can you see? Perfect. Which means this room now, this particular room here, extend up to this side of this. Can you see? Also this one also wall here, and this is sit out, and this also the sit out. The same thing here. This place we only put on this line, nothing like along this line, because we already put a beam there. Is that okay? So I'll come here now, back to plan. I'll come here now and put the same thing. Okay, no, the next floor, that will be on the next floor. That's story 2. In this story 2, we have said we're having a 3 point what? We have a 3 we have a 3,000, sorry, 3,000 minus this is 450. Is it not 300? Am I correct? 300, 2.5. Yes. So 2.5. That's let me cancel it. 2.7. 2.7 multiplied by 3.47 give us what? 9.369. That's 9.37. Okay, 9.37. So I'll come here now. Where is it? Where's my load? Come here now, slab load. I'll come to this place now, line load. This one will now be 9.37. Is that okay? So that's what's happening here, from this point here to this point here. Can you see it now? So the same thing applicable to this other side, even though the slab have not really come up. Is that okay? So that is that. So I'll come here now. Let me click on save first. Let's click on save. First. Then I'll come here now. Let's see the 3D. Yes. Okay. So on this floor now, where is it? Where are we? Okay. See it here. I'm coming. Where is the face? Where are we? It's at the back. So can you see it now? Can you see what we are having here now? Can you see now? This is sit out now here. Can you see it? So this is how we go about it all through. So what else again that we have not done? I think we are done with all. Okay, we are done with all. So I already put the line load here. Can you see? I'll put that line load here. Is that okay? So I also put the line load is already here also. Then I need for this place also. Let me go to the plan view. I think this is the last part. Is that okay, of this video? So I'll come here now. What do we have? This is story 2. We have a 9.37, right? So I'll come here now, come to my load, and come to come to slab load, click on this, and then come here now. This one now, it says what? 9.37, right? 9.37. So I'll just come here now, from this edge here to this place here, correct? And also come here now, from this edge here, let's say from this place to this this particular place. Is that okay? That's fine, because there's a column. Is that okay? so wall is not going to enter column. So that is that. Okay, what else again? I think that is all. That is all. So then let's now go back to the last floor. The last floor, that's a story 3 rather. Story 3. Story 3 has a slab all through like this, all through from here like this. So we are going to insert and pick our pick point. Is that okay? I'll come here now, pick my slab. So in this case now I'm not using 175, 150. Is that okay? The load still remain the same. Is that okay? So I'll now come here now, pick point. I'll use a pick point. Come here, click on this one again. Then from this point to this point to this point to this point, that's fine. Click here again and click on this one again. Then from this point to this point to this point to this point, that's fine. Click on this one again. Then from this point to this point to also this point to this point, that's fine. Then click on this one again, click on this and come here now. From this point to this point, then to this point and to this point, that's fine. Click on this one again and come here now. From this this point to this point to this point to this point, that's fine. Then come here again, click on this, and finally from this point to this point to this point and to this point. Is that okay? That's fine. So also there's a panel here. There's a panel around this place. Is that okay? I'll take this property here. I'll click on this one. There's a panel around here. There's a slab rather. I'll click from here to this point, escape, and then come here again, do the same thing to this point. That's fine. Then I'll click on this one now, take the property of this, right click and come here now and change this one to beam region, and then click on this and click on this. That's fine. Is that okay? Why this place for our water tank? Is that okay? And panel, water tanks and panel. Is that okay? So I haven't done this one now like this. Haven't done it like this. Basically, we are done with this. Can you see? It took us time, isn't it? Because I just want us to finish. Can you see? We have finished successfully modeled this particular building. As you can see, we have modeled it. Can you see what we're having at the top? Can you see? And also this particular place. This one I will attend to it later in order to reduce the length of this video. Okay, haven't done this one now like this. The next thing is to load this particular slab. Is that okay? To load this slab. So to load this, maybe the next class we will load it and then we'll now go further. Is that okay? That is that. So thank you very much. Till I see you next time in our next video. You can now see how we have successfully achieved this properly model. Is that okay? So that is that. So thank you very much. Till I see you next time in our next video. I want to say bye. If this is your first time, try to subscribe and also comment. Is that okay? Thank you once again for those that have been commenting and also that have been liking our videos. So thank you. Till I see you next time in our next video, I want to say bye.